Oh, this is Mike from Wildcat Hollow Farm. It's been a good week. It's been a bad week. Got one room completely tore out. About an acre of ground cleared. And on the bad side, the Missouri Rodeo decided it didn't want to run anymore. Got to have it towed to town, which is going to leave me kind of immobile. Going to be a repair bill for it. No idea how much it's going to be. If you want to donate to the repair fund, I'll put a PayPal link down below. Everything would be appreciated because we really don't have the money for it. But other than that, it's not been a bad week. 3 copperheads, tons of spiders, but everybody's healthy. Miss you, Petra. Lots.